Hello and welcome to the LionDesk and Brokermint integration setup video. I'm going to show you how to connect LionDesk to Brokermint so that you can use these two powerful apps as one.
My name is Gabe, I'm with API Nation. We build these integrations, these syncs, so that you can combine your favorite apps and get more done and close more deals. This is LionDesk. I'm just going to sign in real quick. Great, so now I'm signed into LionDesk on this browser. Now I'm going to go over to Brokermint. I'm going to log into my Brokermint account. And in Brokermint, you're just going to want to go down here to add-ons. I'm going to click that, and that will take me here. I just want to find this LionDesk tile that's in the add-ons area. I'm going to click that. That takes me to the LionDesk listing. So you can read a little bit about the integration. It allows you to sync transactions between LionDesk and Brokermint. It goes both ways. It's a two-way sync. So anything you change in LionDesk will change in Brokermint and vice versa. To set it up, you're just going to click Get Started, and that's going to take you here to API Nation. And now that you're on API Nation, it's just a matter of connecting the two apps, which is what we do best. So here we go, we're gonna connect LionDesk, and we already signed into LionDesk on this browser, so it's just gonna pass me right through. And then because we came from Brokermint, it realizes what my company's called. My company's called Broker Company, and I'm gonna click Next to connect that Brokermint account. And this is it for the configuration page. And it's asking you is, would you like to sync transactions from LionDesk to Brokermint? And would you also like to sync transactions from Brokermint to LionDesk? And you can turn either of these off, but one of them does have to be on. I'm gonna leave both on. I feel like that's the best case scenario. Everything's syncing back and forth, keeping everything totally accurate. Then you just click Start Sync. That's it. You can see here under Active Workflows, we have sync transactions from LionDesk to Brokermint and sync transactions from Brokermint to LionDesk. You can see that these guys are running. If I want, I can pause them, but I want them running. So there we go. We hope that helps. We're excited to bring this to you. If you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, shoot us an email at support@apination.com or give us a call. We love doing this stuff.